How to find content preferences settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find content preferences settings on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and now just here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it, this one. And here all you need to do is just scroll down until you find this one, content preferences, and as you see here you can manage content preferences settings, and that's it. That's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.